Hello, welcome to Inkybay Product Personalizer tutorial video. Today I am going to show you how you can set prices for additional colors of your design. Here you can see if your customer add two different colors in a design, then extra $1 will be added with the price. And if they add three color with the design, then extra $2 is added with the price. Now let's see how you can set this up. For this, first you need to go to Inkybay admin panel. Search for that product. Click on edit here. Now with the printing type, let's create a new printing type. Click on price per color and enter 3 here. So from here you can add extra price with the colors. I am adding $1 with 2 color price and $2 with 3 color price and saving it. Now if we go to this product and add design with this product, you can see if we add one color then no price is added. If we add two color with the product, then you can see $1 is added with the price. And if we add three color, then $2 is added with the price. So this is how you can set prices for additional colors of your design. Also you can see that this product has two different sides. Now if you want to add different pricing for the second side, for that you can do that from here. Here is the option named different price for other printing type. If you make it yes, you can add different price for the other part, and if you make it no, then the same price will be added. I hope this video helps you. Thank you.